Everybody, Bobby Two Pops breaks on Tuesday. It is June the 15th. We're breaking a box full size helmets. We randomed off, I do believe it was 27 boxes. Just want to double check that. Yes, sir, 27 remaining box numbers. We actually got 25. We did random teams for this on your left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody, gave them a chance to trade. We actually did have one trade go down. Seattle and Cincinnati were swapped. Pretty fair trade as far as value for both teams go. So, gonna pop this and see what we get. Wow, guys. Well, we're definitely pulling a whole lot better there, guys. I'm sure some of you can see from the sticker on the top what that is going to be, folks. Damn box is in shitty shape, but bam. I don't think it's going to be much of a secret after that, guys. Bam. Finally hitting some of our big boys here tonight, guys. We knew we had to pull them at some damn point. We've been avoiding them like a friggin' plague, but finally starting to hit some of the heart of our series here. That is going to be the Peyton Manning with the Hall of Fame inscription. That is one of the Lunar Authentics Fanatics certification. Does got the silly card, but those things are pointless. They don't coincide with the sticker or anything. Beautiful Peyton Manning. We still got another Manning out there. Going to be the Colt spot. Wow, Gabe, man, Gabe getting back on track. It took him a while, Gabe, but you hung in there, and now you're freaking been hitting something pretty much every night now, man, the last couple days. And then there is a nice big boy, makes up a whole lot of ground, man. Beautiful Manning for Mr. Gabe. Just double checking. Bam, I know, Hawk. One break too late. Yeah, no, that sucks, bud. Get that back into the darn box. This box is in horse shit shape. Oh, damn thing. Gabe. Yes, sir. Just double check in there. Going to be Gabe. They said Gabe was off to a slow start, but definitely picking it up these last few days. Gabe out. Well, we do take a 4, guys. 4 or higher. Sorry about the damn low numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Bam. Z and Po Boy qualifiers number 83 and 84. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, guys. Finally starting to hit the heart of our series there. Don't want to miss it. Stop on by. Bobby 2 Pops breaks 8 p.m. Central.